In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a short video on Klaviyo. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to get a video into your Klaviyo email using the latest editor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to paste, and how to make sure your video looks good and works properly for your subscribers. Start by opening the email template you want to work with inside your Klaviyo account. This might be a campaign you're about to send, or a flow email you're updating. Once the template is open in the editor, take a moment to look at the layout so you know where you'd like your video to appear. For example, you might want it right under your headline, or between two sections of text. In the content panel of the editor, look for the video block. This is a drag-and-drop element designed specifically for embedding videos from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok. Click and drag that video block into your email layout and drop it in the exact spot where you want the video preview to show up. You should immediately see a placeholder appear, letting you know the block has been added. Next, you'll connect your actual video. Go to the platform where your video is hosted, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok, and copy the URL from your browser's address bar or the share option. Make sure you're using the public or shareable link so your audience will be able to view it. Now go back into Klaviyo and click on the video block you just added. In the settings panel, you'll see a field labeled Video URL. Click into that field and paste the link you just copied. Klaviyo will automatically generate a thumbnail or preview image based on that URL, so give it a second to load. If the preview doesn't look right, double-check that the link is correct and that the video is publicly accessible. Once the video looks good in the preview, take a quick look at the rest of your email to make sure everything flows nicely around it. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the Editor. This locks in your changes and ensures the video block and URL are properly stored in your template. That's all you need to do. Your Klaviyo email now includes a clickable video preview that will send subscribers to your video on YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok when they click.